Good morning, you guys. It is a beautiful day here in Arizona. I have the day off and I have my repairman coming to work on my RV. So I'm going to be spending another day in the garden outside today. I'm not really sure how much more sunburn I can get. I'm getting too old to be treating my skin this way. But I've just been really enjoying being outside and gardening lately. It's been my outlet and my therapy. So I watched this lady on YouTube, you guys. Her name is Helen from Georgia.
Hello everyone, I'm Helen from Georgia.
And she is a bad bitch and she's fucking amazing. She must be in her 80s and I watch her at night when I can't sleep. It's kind of like a Bob Ross vibe.
I'm out here this afternoon trying to start a project. I think my brain has got a brain freeze. I'm just can't think of anything great to video. But anyway, I'm out here with my coffee. I have used some coffee. It says, good day start with coffee and birds. That's y'all's coffee. Have a sip. I'm going to have a sip of mine.
This lady is such a badass. She has the dopest garden you've ever seen. And she makes really cool art.
I don't want to get cement dust in my coffee.
I just want to smoke a joint with her, give her a big fat hug, and make some cool shit. So we are going with Helen inspiration today, folks. We are making a bird bath. And it is going to be amazing because when I was at the creek the other day, I found the most stunning elephant leaves I've seen in years. Since I was working and living in Hilton Head Island, South Carolina, in fact, I haven't seen leaves this beautiful and tropical. So I'm gonna go cut some of those leaves. We are heading to Home Depot to get some cement and we're gonna make a bird bath today. Hi guys. All right, so I got Quick Set mortar. It's a 25-pound box. I think that'll be a good start. They have the tubes at Home Depot that I need to make the base for my stand that I want to make. Oh, I don't want to step on a stink bug. But this is a really cool hidden little spot where I found these leaves, so come check it out. Okay, so I want to lay these out and see like how I can arrange them to make a bird bath. Is that like way too big? I feel like that's way too big. What if I just stick to like a really big one? Should I go pick like the biggest one I could find? Like that one? So I have a pile of dirt that I've carefully smoothed so that there's no big rocks that are going to stick out or make any big dents in the mortar once I mold it on top of here. She looks really happy on here, so I think we're going to go with this leaf. We had a couple others that I pulled, but I think she's the one we're going to go with. So let's get started. See how she does. Come check it out, guys. This lighting sucks, I know, I'm sorry. Let's see. Can you guys see how cool she is? Not right now, but just you wait. I'm gonna let that set and see how she does. I think it's gonna be freaking amazing. I can't wait anymore. I really want to flip the bird bath over. So I'm gonna read this box. I should probably read the directions and see how long it needs to cure, right? It doesn't have a time. So let's just undo this thing and see what happens. Okay, you guys, I just got back from work and we are gonna go check on the bird bath. Loli's outside having a little wee. I just want to say, I hope you guys like this video. Or these videos, right? I'm gonna be doing a lot of these different projects. I'm renovating this massive thing behind me right now. And I have so much footage for you guys of me figuring it all out and learning. So I hope you like this content, you know, in addition to, you know, the Ascension intel. I want to share the rest of my life with you guys and what's going on and my off-grid living situation, my trials, my tribulations, what I'm going through. It's really interesting and fun, and I'm excited to share it. So I hope you guys are excited to watch. And without further ado, let's go check this thing out, shall we? All right, let's see. You guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. We have a little bit of a spot there. Oh my God. She's gorgeous. I'll have to take the Dremel and I'll have to sand around it, the edges, with my grinding kit, because I'm fancy now. And I have a grinding kit for my Dremel because I'm a big, you know, RV renovator now. So yeah, I think that sanding and grinding kit that I got for my hand tool will work for the edges of this thing. I'm so excited. This is the only real blemish. I don't know if you guys can see right here is really the only spot. She's stunning. Time to paint. Anytime you guys don't know how to darken a color when you're painting, never ever use white or black to lighten or darken a painting. When you're using paint, always use the complementary color, the opposite color, right, to darken or lighten when you're painting. That's a huge trick that will help with your chiaroscuro and creating form on a canvas. Didn't spend 60 grand at Rutgers for nothing. Fuck. It broke. I'm not gonna lie. I've been videoing all day for this video. I've been working really hard on this for you and for me. This really sucks. This is the aftermath of what just happened because the phone crashed into my beautiful bowl that I was making. My bird bath is no more. But you know what? It cost me 15 bucks for that 25-pound box of mortar. And I'm gonna make another 1 or 2 or 3 in the morning. So let's try again, shall we? Ooh, giant cockroach. Ah! All right, I think we're gonna give this another go, you guys. For Helen, we're finishing the project for Helen in Georgia. Helen, we love you. I just want to hang out with you, girl. I think you're cool. I think you're freaking awesome, just creating in that beautiful yard that you've made and making people smile and just being your beautiful self. So this is for you, Miss Helen. Please, to the porcelain gods. I have sweat dripping off my chin. I'm gonna go now. All right, so if you are not a lover of art or creating of any kind like this, then this is not the video for you, clearly. I went ahead and did my, 5 layers of color underneath. This is my underpainting, right? Now we started bringing in some highlights on here. And now I'm gonna go back in and do the more recessed parts of the leaf and go ahead and define them and make them deeper as far as the shadows and stuff. So let's start with that. Highlighting and shadowing for hours, but I think we're gonna keep her right there for now. And I don't know, I'm gonna have to pour a base for her, so that'll be another video coming up. All right, you guys, she is a happy camper. I foolishly did not seal her. I haven't sealed her yet, and I have already, it's been 24 hours and I've gotten water and mud on her already. So I know for next time, obviously this stuff is very, very porous And I'm pretty sure I got the wrong stuff. I think next time I'm going to use real cement. So yeah, she's a happy camper next to homeboy over here. I'm really happy with her. I really hope you guys liked this project. I really have enjoyed making it for you. It was a really, really good time. And it was pretty simple. Little kinks here and there, but lots of fun. And I have so much more to share with you guys. I'm waiting on my RV guy right now. I don't know what this is, but we're gonna go with that. I'm waiting on my RV guy right now. He put in that water heater yesterday. I have a kitchen countertop now. For those of you who follow me on Facebook, you guys know what I'm talking about. I have a whole life update video coming on how this all came to be, right? I've been off grid almost a year now, and I have so much to share. So I hope you guys like this project. It was a blast making it for you. And this is my first time using the video editor that I got. So I hope you guys enjoy that. I'm only going to get better with time, right? I'm a little rusty. It's been years. But I love you, and stay tuned. I have a ton more projects coming for you. And yeah, have a beautiful weekend, you guys. Go outside, plant something, make something, build something, create something cool. I love you. Ciao, ciao. All right, I've collected myself. Stay tuned for another how-to. Sorry, guys. I just popped a zit the size of Texas. Yeah, I'm still going to post this video because I have no shame in my game. The hell? And, yeah, life is great. It really sucks, though. But stay tuned. Love you guys.